How to log into your Amazon account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have downloaded Amazon app in your device, or also you can use the web version, but for this video I'm gonna use the app. Once you download this app, you can launch it. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on this option given at the bottom middle. Now you will see this option of sign in or create account. Click on the option of sign in. Now type in your credentials of Amazon account, email or phone number. After you type in your phone or email address, click on the option of continue. Now over here you'll need to type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in. And with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Amazon account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.